It's up. Fuck a game, nigga. One man on.
What's up with it, my YouTube family? It's your boy here, the Tahoe guy, and I'm back at y'all with another video, you hear me? Today we gonna be doing a review on these Drive Titanium Pro Audio tweeters I just went caught from the audio store, you hear me? I'm gonna let y'all see them, let you see what they look like and all that. Stay with you, boy. So yeah, this is the box right here. P9TW 3D Pro Audio Titanium tweeter. They are 375 watts and they are 4 ohm tweeters. Open up the box. Got your packaging, you know what I'm saying? All that. Open them up. It's a nice size tweeter here. A little bigger than the ones I got in the front door already. It already has a crossover inside of it. It says a 6 dB crossover, so it's gonna go right good together with the tweeters I already got in my door. Finna show y'all where I'm gonna put them at. I already cut the holes just for a little little thing what I need to do. So yeah, stay with your boy. As y'all can see, I do still have my dual component set in the front, but I'm gonna add another tweeter, and this is where it's gonna go. I cut the hole using this 3-inch circle drill bit. I don't know the technical name for it, but it's a circle cutout tool. It's a 3-inch Linux bimetal cutout tool. So we're gonna get them in the door. We're gonna see how they sound. See if it give me some more sound quality out these door panels. Eventually, I'm gonna get it to where this whole door panel is made with mids and highs. Eventually. Alright, so I got them in the door panels. There's a tweeter over there. Alright, now what I did was, since it's already a built-in crossover in these tweeters here, all I did was took the wire and stuck it in the end part on the crossover for my P36K set. So I didn't use the crossover for this tweeter right here. I just used it for the component set, for the P36K component set. So we gonna see what these things sound like, and y'all gonna hear them. So stay with me.
On the road now for a while. You know, it's been a while since we've been home, but we finally came back home, and now we're chilling in the backwoods. 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 Chilling in the T-Thrash shit on the mic. Gonna tell you little something when I place I like. Yeah, grew up in backwoods. Been on the road to show. So, been a little hard missing home. Been gone so long that I feel alone. I can't help how I feel when I miss the place. I used to get a buzz on just in case, but everything has changed. The Joker was a major name, but I can't complain cause I know the fans. On side shirts and on shaking hands. See, here I was song that I wrote doing life when nothing was forming right. Now it's time for me to go home. Like the bonfire and play the song. We're chilling in the backwoods. Chilling in the backwoods. Chilling in the backwoods.
Now y'all done heard them tweeters. I'm very satisfied with them, you know what I'm saying? Eventually, I'm gonna go ahead and add some 8-inch mids in here to the door. Or I might put them in my little center console I made. But, other than that, man, these tweeters got my truck ticking like it ain't never ticked before. I'm gonna tell y'all now. My sound, my truck sound is a unique, different sound. You know what I'm saying? From anybody else's truck. Everybody I see and talk to, they always tell me, I know when you coming down the street or coming up the block. Cause your truck, your sound is different from anybody else's sound. I do my own music. Everything you see in this truck I do except build boxes. I did not build myself a box. So, other than that, I do everything on my own. You know what I'm saying? When y'all see me on YouTube, it's because I done found something else new to do to my truck. Or something else I want to do. But make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. You hear me? For your boy the Taco Guy. Peace.
Beep, 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 beep. AR-15. Come around that corner and show you something.